The VRE3200 outdoor gas fireplace brings together rugged stainless steel components and easy installation for reliable outdoor use. These fireplaces are right at home with outdoor kitchens and furnishings and will provide years of carefree enjoyment. With its vent-free design, there is also no need for a chimney to obstruct your outdoor view. Detailed ceramic fiber logs combined with dancing yellow flames provide warmth and comfort for any outdoor living space. Superior Fireplaces. Our name is our promise.